I was doing a book signing a couple years ago, and something happened that I would never forget. Roll it back a little bit. I've been drawing for a long time. Drawing, writing, creating, telling our fun hype shonen manga magic for a hot minute. I know the story is good to great or excellent, depending on who you talk to, but I know it's of industry standard, comparable with anything to me. Based off of my experience as a fan consuming this kind of content, and then as a creator improving over the years, the reviews that each book has gotten, being able to drop 5 graphic novels and a light novel. They're not just handing those out. Distributors and publishers are not just saying, hey, you get a book because, we want you to feel good. Like, there are reasons those things happen. It's because it is good and what we're doing is good. And by we, I mean Saturday AM, but then the work that I've put into Apple Black, all of that has mattered, and people, establishments, all these things have seen the value in that. And that is not in one category. That's all the categories combined. Just even the idea of being traditionally published in bookstores where I'm doing this book signing that I'm talking about, it was Barnes & Noble.
We right here in front of Barnes and Noble. Every day. Came in here and got all your books. Everything.
There's a lot of proof to show that what we're doing, it's never perfection. Nothing is perfect. Naruto, all these big Bleach, One Piece, they're not perfect. Nobody's perfect, but we are definitely in the right direction. We're heading in the right direction, and we continue to grow in that direction. And all these things are like little signs of proof. So I've seen it over the years, and you guys have motivated me to keep on pushing through. So I've seen it over the years. I don't necessarily need somebody to tell me, oh, the story is good, or the art is good, or the whatever is good. But there was a moment that happened when I was doing this book signing that I wouldn't say trumps everything I just mentioned. No, but it stands out versus everything I just mentioned. I was doing the book signing, and people come through. A lot of the volume 1s go away because sometimes people be walking by the Barnes and Noble, and maybe they didn't know I was doing the book signing, but they're interested. It's like, ooh, somebody's doing like Japanese inspired type stuff. They couldn't even fathom. So there's like interest there, and you spark some conversation, and everybody's having a fun time. We're signing stuff. People are getting books. Volume 1s are running out. Volume 2s, 3s, whatever. I think this was when Volume 3 had just dropped. So it was like a book signing celebrating the release of Volume 3. And a lot of cool things happened. People actually even gave me fan mail, like handwritten fan mail. 2 people did that day, but I'll save that for a feature video. But the point is, there was this, I want to say a couple. I wasn't sure if they're a couple, but that was the vibe I was getting, right? It was this really tall guy, and I think with his wife, girlfriend, I don't know, but she was like really nice. She was really into it. She was like, oh, asking me questions. Basically, what's the story about? Like, how long have you been doing it? Those kind of questions where somebody's like interested and just joyous and full of life. And he was more reserved. It's actually closer to me, by the way. I'm more chill, but he was more chill, like looking at it like, oh, there was like an interest of, oh, you did this? It's impressive, but it's like, I doubt it's good. That's the vibe I was getting. He never actually told me that, but that's just the vibe. That was just a vibe. He was interested, but it was more so that if his girlfriend or wife wasn't there, he might have just walked away and got nothing. But the wife or girlfriend was like, oh, get a book. You like manga. You like, whatever. Just, get it. And, he picked it up, flipped through it a couple times as I'm talking to her. Maybe, I'm just trying to engage, right? These are new people. So it's not like fans or readers who came to the book signing. These are just people passing by. And I think he didn't really want to get the book. I think it was because of his girl. His girl's like trying to show support, trying to show love. So shout out to her. She's the real MVP. You picked the good one. If I'm right about the whole relationship thing, you picked the good one. She saw Apple Black and she was like, there's something here. He might be cooking. But I'm not sure he actually wanted to get it. But because of her, I think he got Volume 1. And so this was like maybe noon-ish, a little past noon, I want to say. And I thought that was it. It was cool. Hey, got Volume 1. I signed it. It's a book signing, so everything was good. Signed it. All is well in the world.
2 hours later.
This man came back without the girl. I don't remember seeing her. He was almost like in a rush, like a panic, almost. I didn't think it was going to be that good. Those are not the words. I don't remember his words verbatim, but the vibe that I remember was, I'm actually enjoying it. Where's volume 2 and 3? And he got them. I signed them, and that was that. Now, that was very cool because it wasn't just like, you know, people who maybe you've seen me somewhere, or you've, you know, been seeing some of the art somewhere, or you follow me on YouTube, or whatever the case may be, or, you know, I got a cosign before that. This was very pure and fresh, and also coming from someone that I think is a little bit of a skeptic. And for them to potentially read all of volume 1, or enough of volume 1 to run back in an hour-ish time and get volume 2 and 3 signed, the sweet spot of like someone who doesn't know you, doesn't follow you anywhere, so there isn't even any slight bias where they're trying to like you, or they want to like you, right? Or they want to support you, or anything like that. Maybe with that first purchase, and you know, his girl by the side said, hey, yeah, try it out. Outside of that, the fact that he came back, it was a moment where I was like, oh, okay, yeah, we are cooking, we are doing something, you know, this is good. I always, again, there's so much proof that it is good, trust me, but to see it in real time, for lack of a better term, it just hit different. Now, I was not giddy, I didn't show too much emotion about it, but in my head I was just like, really? You came back for volume 2? First off, shout out to you. I appreciate it. I was very grateful. But then I was also shocked, especially after he left. So that day was that's probably one of my best book signings, because that happened. The handwritten fan mail. But I'll save that for a feature video. But this one moment to me was a good moment. It was a really good, I don't think I'll ever forget it. And I remember just taking a step back after he left. It was like, wow, I really did that. You know? So that was just a fun short story I wanted to share that I thought was interesting, and it's just one of the little moments that I hope I'll share more as time goes on, but little moments that stick with me, you know? So do like him and get Apple Black volume. In fact, let me even pull these out. The light novel, other Saturday Night Properties, Clock Striker, but the volumes as well, and Saturday Wars. Also, now a lot of the content will be available on Patreon. The revamp is coming. Depending on when this video is going to be dropping, the Patreon revamp might have already happened. If it's not happened yet, you don't have to sign up, but you can sign up as a free member. But eventually, Apple Black will be available on the Patreon, and colored versions of Apple Black. So all of Apple Black, but in cool, crisp, lovely color. My manga assistants are working hard on it, so part of the Patreon is actually going to go into funding production, especially when the revamp happens, depending on when you're watching this. Please like the video, subscribe if you want to learn more about the book signings, and make sure you follow me on all social media. So again, links to everything you could possibly need will be in the description below. Check out more videos. I'm making a lot more of these. It's Whyt Manga, and I'm Audi 9000.